Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this look. I love the way it turned out. It is just a really nice balance between a bright color and adding a pop of color but having it be more subtle, which is the olive green. I love taking colors that you wouldn't necessarily think to pair. Like I have like a military style crop jacket, and it's a military green, but then I'll wear literally a shirt that I have in this color, and it's just such a fun play on colors. Like, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's go. All right guys, so I use the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur foundation today, and I have on the Pat McGrath concealer. I have a little bit of lip balm. I did my mascara. Basically, we're ready to put the show in motion. So I'm someone that actually likes to mix your feminine colors with your more earthy or neutral shades. And by that I mean, I like to take something, for example, like olive green and mix it with something like this. And the reason is I like the contrast. I like the play on colors, and I think it's really pretty and underrated. So I'm going to take the Vizart Chow Chow palette. I'm going to take that shade, and I'm going to apply this all over my lid. I have already applied concealer and a thin layer of translucent setting powder, but I'm just going to add this to add a little bit of brightness to the lid. Next, I'm going to take this shade here, which is a corally pink, with the same brush, and I'm going to apply this to the crease. I'm going to take this color and start lightly blending it down into the crease, onto the lid. I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to concentrate it mostly in the center of the lid, just to kind of give this a little bit more of a playful look and not so washed out and sheer. And I'm just blending it. But this is what we're working with, guys. It's a beautiful peachy corally shade, and she's neon. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and done one eye, and let me tell you guys, this liner is fantastic. I didn't have any issue using my MAC 210 brush to maneuver the liner and get a beautiful wing. So I think if you're wanting to play with color or get some really fun liners that you can use to create wings, or you know, to use on your waterline, the Sephora collection liners are fantastic. Okay, so to line my lid, all I did was I took the Sephora liner and I just started dragging the color across the lid here. And once I did that, I would take my brush and start moving the liner where I wanted it. And as you guys can see, this liner has a ton of movement. And then I'm just going to take my brush and take some of that liner. Now I'm going to work on my wing. Alright guys, so this is what our liner and color look like, and I really love the way this turned out. So I'm going to go back in with that coral shade, and I'm just going to build the intensity into the crease area, just because now I really want there to be a contrast. I'm going to take T-Rex and then apply it to my waterline. Man, I love the way this looks. For my lips, I'm going to be using this Esam dual lip pencil, and this is in Plum, but I'm going to go ahead and take the nude side. I'm trying to see if it has a different name, but I don't see it. I'm I'm going to line my lips, and I'm going to use this Vizart lip oil. Alright guys, here is the final look. I love the way this turned out. It's so easy. You guys just saw it's one color on the lid and a colored liner, which is still soft enough and neutral enough to pull off as like a deep brown or an earth tone shade. But I love, love, love how this turned out. For my blush, I used this palette by MAC Cosmetics. This is a Star Dipped Face Compact and Light. And I took the blush, the two blush shades here, and just mixed them. And that is what I have on my cheeks. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you guys are enjoying the shorter videos. I have been looking at my analytics, and I can see that some of you guys have my kind of attention span, which is not very long. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment down below letting me know what some of your requests are. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.